Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, we will share to you our experience as we stay at Legoland Hotel in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. This is the first theme hotel that we stayed in as a family, and we really love this hotel. This is actually the third time that we are staying in Legoland Hotel. We book our stay together with the tickets for Water Park and Legoland Park through Klook. And if you want a discounted rate, you can also book your stay at klook.com, and don't forget to use my promo code HECKLEKLOOK to get more discounts. Upon entering the hotel, you will be greeted by a huge lobby that has a mini castle at the center. There are also a lot of Lego bricks that you can play with your kids while waiting for the check-in process. The check-in in this hotel is at 4 p.m. and the checkout is at 11 a.m. the next morning. If you are arriving earlier than the check-in time, you can still proceed in processing your check-in and then just leave your bags at the luggage storage counter. After that, you can already proceed to either the water park or the Legoland Park. For us, we proceed to Legoland Park to enjoy the rides. We went back to the hotel after enjoying the theme park, and our room is already ready. This time, we booked a pirate theme room. There are also other themes like the Kingdom, Adventure, and Ninjago rooms. The room is very spacious and it is divided into two parts. The first one is the master's bedroom and the other one is the kids' room. The maximum capacity of this room is 5 people. Inside the master's bedroom, there is a king-size bed, a working desk, a sofa, a TV, and a mini fridge. At the kids' room, you will find a bunk bed that also has a pull-out bed that can sleep up to 3 people. They also have the closet here, the safe, and also TV for the kids. They also provided Lego bricks that kids can play while staying in the hotel. The treasure chest activity is one of the highlights for the kids because they are provided with clues and they have to look around the room to find the answer in order to open the treasure chest. And inside the treasure chest, there are free Lego kits for them. Upon entering the CR, you will see that it's still pirate themed. There is a hot and cold shower. The soap is also provided and other toiletries. You will see that there is a sink dedicated for kids because it's smaller and also a sink for the adults. Outside the hotel, there is Mall of Medini where there are a lot of food choices and you can take your lunch or dinner here. Our room comes with free breakfast and you will have your breakfast at Perk's Family Restaurant at first floor. There is a wide variety of food choices here from Asian and Western foods. They also have a great coffee machine that can serve different kinds of coffee. We enjoyed dining in at this restaurant because it is very well themed in Lego. You will see the vibrant colors of the Lego and different bricks as well. After breakfast, we have to pack our things and get ready to check out. They have an express checkout wherein you just have to drop your key card and you're good to go. You can still enjoy the water park even if you're already checked out. You just have to leave your luggage at the luggage room, which is what we did. There are also bathrooms that you can use even after you checked out, so you don't need to worry if you need to freshen up before going to their next destination. If you are going to Singapore or Kuala Lumpur after Legoland, you can go to Causeway Bay Link and get the tickets there. The pickup location of the bus is at the parking lot. For us, our next destination is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Overall, we highly recommend that you stay here at Legoland Hotel if you want to visit Legoland Malaysia. This is a family-oriented, kids-friendly hotel, and your kids will really enjoy staying here. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for your next travel. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on TikTok and in Facebook, Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time!